Hey guys, what's up? It's Elise from the Crunchy Ginger, and I'm here today with my November 2019 MightyFix. For those of you that don't know, MightyFix is the subscription program from MightyNest.com. It costs $11 a month, and you get a surprise package once a month with some kind of sustainable product that's going to be for your home or your kitchen. So, my MightyFix came in the mail today. I'm pretty excited to open it. I've waited until my kids went to bed, and I have now put them to bed 3 times. So I'm hoping I can make it through opening this package before I have to put them back to bed again. I guess it's just been that kind of a day. So anyway, really excited to open this. I have no idea what's in here, although it feels kind of round. So here we go. One of my kids already tried to poke a hole in it, but I haven't peeked. It is, oh cool. Oh, it's collapsible. Oh, fun. It's a collapsible silicone food storage container. Check it out. Oh, neat. Okay, so it's like this cool bowl thing. It's got this little top on here that looks like you can kind of vent it. Maybe it's microwavable. I don't know. I don't actually own a microwave. Yeah, it says oven safe, freezer safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. Collapsible silicone food storage container, rethinking storage. And every month the MightyFix comes with this card here. It says, "Your MightyFix is here." Thank you for joining us in making one meaningful change, 1 month at a time. This month, we're helping to remove plastic from your kitchen by sharing an innovative, non-breakable, and plastic-free food storage container, Collapse It. The unique design allows for the container to expand and then collapse to a slim 1.25 inches for space-saving storage in the kitchen or in your lunchbox, picnic bag, etc. The containers and lids are also color coordinated for quick pairing. Imagine that. Oh, that's nice. I'm like always searching for the lid to whatever, and my husband can never figure out which lid goes to which thing. It's like a mom superpower to find which lid goes with which thing. Made from naturally BPA-free silicone, this container is safe to use in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. Sweet. So it kind of expands out like this, and it gets flat like that. So I guess like if you had a smaller thing, you could just not waste the whole space, and this lid just kind of pops on like that. Awesome. Awesome. So here we go. Here's my MightyFix for November 2019. Do you MightyFix? If you do, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you got this month and what's your favorite thing you've ever gotten. If you want to know more about MightyFix, go to MightyNest.com. And if you want to know more small changes that you can make in your life to live a little greener and save a little money, head on over to the Crunchy Ginger. Follow me on Instagram at the Crunchy Ginger. Please subscribe if you want to see more MightyFix unboxings and if you want to know more tips and tricks to live a more frugal, natural life. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.